Hello, welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some. Okay, so I have what is it? Oh, ribeye steak. I have ribeye steak, and we're gonna have some peppers and onions, and we're gonna cook it all on the grill that I bought from the Christmas tree shop for $16.99 on the stove. And then we're going to incorporate some rice in with the peppers and onions later. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Give it a thumbs up. Come on. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. And check out my links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon if you would like to support this channel in any way. Bringing it to you. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's start with our seasonings. I have some, I think I want some hot pepper. Okay, let's go with Creole pepper. Creole seasoning. It's hot, spicy. Sassoon everything. Lowry seasoning salt. And garlic. Okay, so we're just going to flip the meat over and repeat that process. Garlic. Brio. Everything Sassoon. And Lowry seasoning. Okay guys, let's go over to the grill. Okay, let's put it on. It's already hot. And that's the steak, peppers, and onions. Okay, let's put some oil on the peppers and onions. And I want to put some Sassoon everything on the peppers and onions. Brio. And some garlic. Alright, that'll work. You see I put some oil underneath. I'm going to put some oil on top of the steak. Let's flip that over. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of aluminum foil over the peppers and onions. Okay, we're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, why don't I give you the word of the day? 1 second. The word of the day. The word of the day is, when are you going to enjoy yourself? When are you going to take care of yourself? When are you going to look out for number one? When are you going to sit down and relax? When are you going to let somebody else cook? When? That's the word of the day. When? Come on, do yourself a favor. Treat yourself right. Because if you don't do it, nobody else can. Okay? When? When are you going to take care of yourself? That's the word of the day. Alright, let's check on our steak and peppers and onions, alright? Okay guys, so let's take a temperature of the steak. Okay guys, we're at 156. That's good with me. I like mine with a little pink in the middle. And looks like our peppers and onions is done. Okay, I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to plate that up for you. 1 second. Now that was what, all of 15 minutes maybe? Okay, maybe another 10 minutes to cut up the peppers and onions, but within 30 minutes you got a meal. And I already cooked the rice in the rice cooker. I'm going to bring that and put it on the plate, okay? 1 second. Okay guys, look at that. Looks pretty good, right? Oh, I can't wait to bite into it for you. Well, let me do that now, okay? Alright. Okay, let's do it. Those sauteed peppers and onions, so good. And the steak is nice and tender, the way I like it. And I made beef flavored rice, so I put beef broth in the rice with some onions and peppers and adobo, and let that cook in the rice cooker. All for you guys, all for you. Okay, you check it out. Give me a thumbs up, would you please, if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below, okay? Because you may want to support this channel in some way. Talk to you soon. Loving you all, loving you all, loving you all. Okay, be safe. Bye-bye.